Okay, kia ora guys, I'm with which bunkroom?
Party beers.
Bunkroom 3D. What's your team name? You got a team name?
Party beers.
The Party Bears. Okay, so Party Bears, Evelyn, what have you guys been working on here? What is this project?
This is our board game for camp.
Mm-hmm.
We've got a whole bunch of activities. These are all the activities that we're going to be doing.
Okay, so they're all the activities on camp. Neve, tell me, where do I start and what's important about the order? Where do I start, Neve?
You start here,
Mm-hmm.
and then you work your way around here,
Yep.
and then you eventually get to
Oh, yeah.
here.
Day 2 of camp. Yeah.
and then you
And then you've gone the inner circle around. And is that the end?
No, you come back
and then you
to
go
school.
back to
Oh, and then you go back to school, and that's where you end up. Harper, tell me, there's some special activities on here which have a big black dot. Can you tell me about those, Harper?
So there are checkpoints, and that's where you get a card of what has happened at your task.
And what are these? So we've got the sign of the bellbird, and we've got, what's that one there?
Recreation.
Recreation, and
Swimming.
so why are those ones more important than the other squares?
Because the other squares are just things that could happen, but these are the things that are that we're doing.
Oh, the main activities.
Yeah.
Right, the main activities on camp. Excellente. Okay, so Nina, what happens when I get to one of those checkpoints?
So you have to go here, pick one of the cards.
So let's say I land on swim, let's say. Here's my character. I'm Pinky. I land on swim. What do I have to do?
So you grab one of this card and you read it out loud. So this is fun times +1 encourager point.
Oh, okay, so I just got an encourage point. We'll pick up another swim card. What if it's one of the other ones?
So and this one says you hurt yourself getting in the pool -2 points.
-2 points? -2 encourager points? Or
Just
Just
point.
point.
just points? I see you lose 2 points in your game. So that has something to do with the winner, I'm guessing. Is that right?
The winner is the one who has the most points, aka had the most funnest time at camp.
Oh, okay, all right. So you're gathering up fun points as you go.
Yeah.
So it's not just the person who gets back to school the fastest, it's who has the most points when they get back to school. Is that how the game works?
Yeah, or the most fun.
All right, Tara, tell me about your character cards. You can borrow this one, which is, I think, that's yours, is it? Tell me about the character cards. What are they?
So character cards are I can't say.
Can't say. So they've got SMART on there. Yeah? Have a think. And we're back. Okay, Tara, tell us about the card.
So on these cards, people have given themselves stars on how good they think they are on, for S.
Which stands for...
Socially adept.
Yep. So Alex has given herself 4 stars for socially adept. What does that mean?
Well,
It means she thinks she's pretty socially adept, right? Yeah. But she's only given herself 2 stars for A. So what does that mean?
she's not so good at it.
She's not so good at the articulate skill. Okay, so Sophia, what do I do then with those points? Why are they important? How can I use them in the game?
Well, if you get one of these cards and it says big argument -3 points, and then if it says a letter and then a number, that means you have to roll a 6, and you look on your card and you have 4 for socially adept.
Yeah.
Then you have to roll a 6. So
Oh, okay, so you get to add it. So because Alex is quite socially adept, she has to roll a total of 6, but she's allowed to use 4 points from her card. Is that right?
Yeah. And
So Alex would only need to roll a what? What number?
2.
Oh, that's pretty easy, right? Yeah. So she can solve her big argument if she rolls a 6. If she rolls the 6, does she not lose the 3 points?
You still lose the 3 points.
Yeah.
But if you don't pass it, you have to put it down and risk picking up another one.
Oh,
which could result in minusing even more points.
So let's say I'm at the sign of the bellbird and I'm here and I get this card, I pull it out and I only roll, say, a 5 in total. So maybe I roll a 1 plus my 4 socially adept points. That's only a total of 5. I have to stay there for another turn.
Yeah. And then
Right.
you could risk either
And the next card might be an even worse one. All right, okay, so I get it. Okay, so you have to use your smarts. Tell me about the game. Did you enjoy making the game, Alex?
Yes, my favourite part was this.
What's this? Tell me about
So
death.
in each bunkhouses, there's a bunkroom D, and there's no,
Oh, yep.
and it's deserted. So if you be bad, then you have to sleep on the floor of bunkroom D. And that's basically like a jail monopoly.
Right, so like jail. So if you so some of the chance cards, for example, might say you were naughty, go back to bunkroom
Or
D.
get out of bunkroom D free card.
Cool. What's your favourite part of the game?
Mine's probably that there's like, we have a special thing where you can go round and then in and then round
Yep.
and back onto school.
Mm-hmm.
That's probably my favourite part because it was quite cool
Clever.
the
It's
way-
quite clever how you've actually done the 2 loops. I like that for the 2 days. What's your favourite part, Tara?
I actually also like that.
You like that part as well, Nina?
I like the adventure stream.
Oh, you like how you made Adventure Stream, which is one of the activities we got on there? Yeah. Roll a 3 or more to cross. Ah, nice. Ka pai. What's your favourite part, Harper?
Probably the stuff in the middle, so you could get like go to your bunk room for one turn.
Yep.
Or you got sick, go to mid bay.
Nice. Cool. So some of the consequences for things in the game. Neve?
Well, my favourite part is like probably how creative like some
All
of
the cards were.
like a bird poops on your head.
Bird poops on your head. Plus 1 point. Wait, why do you get 1 point?
Because it's actually good luck. It's good luck.
Oh, okay, all right. And Evelyn, what's your favourite part?
I like the point system.
The point system. Well done, guys. So overall, why do you think we spent so much time making this board game in our lead up and our preparation for camp? Yeah, Alex?
So we know what could happen, and so we can overcome our worries.
Yeah, so we can talk through some of the things that might happen on camp, like a bird pooping on your head, and be prepared for some of those things. Harper, why else might we have done it?
So then we can kind of bond over making it.
Absolutely, because you guys are a bunkhouse, and we're actually going to bring this game to camp. And while we're on camp, we're going to have a game. Sound good in your bunk room? Tara's super psyched about that. No midnight games of... What is your game called? Does it have a name?
We don't have a name.
Ah, well, that's your final task. Come up with a name. Well done, guys. Wave goodbye to the camera. This is going out to your parents so they understand what you guys have been working on. Say hi to your mummy and dada. Hi.
Go to bed.
Bunk room D. See you later, team. Bye-bye.